Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Be honest, have you ever built a landing page and then no clicks, no signups, no conversions, just a design collecting digital dust? What if one tiny section that can turn casual visitors into subscribers, buyers, or clients automatically? This is the power of a well-crafted CTA. And today, we're diving into this element from the Bricks Ultra plugin. And let me tell you, this is not your average click here button. This one's a conversion powerhouse packed with features that make your CTAs pop, engage, and actually work. It's highly customizable too, so you're always in full control of the look, feel, and function. And trust me, your visitors won't just notice, they'll click. Here's a sneak peek of what you'll unlock in this element. Cover and split layouts for precise design control. Hover animations that make your CTAs feel alive. Ribbon highlights to showcase special offers. Dual button options so users get more than one path to action. Advanced image and graphic controls to visually sell your message. Full icon image customization, overlay effects, and deep styling right in the builder. First thing, make sure you've got the Bricks Builder theme and Bricks Ultra plugin installed and activated. Open your page in Bricks Builder, head to the Ultra tab, and drop the call to action element onto the page. Under the image settings, pick your layout. By default, you'll probably see the cover layout, where the image becomes a dramatic background and the content overlays right on top. But if you want something easy to read, click over to the split layout, great for a clean side-by-side design. Pick an image, size it up, or hide it if you're feeling mysterious. You're the director here. Now load your CTA with content, toss in images or icons, titles, subtitles, and descriptions, all wrapped in neat HTML tags. This feature offers dual button support, allowing you to add 2 fully customizable buttons with adjustable icons, positioning, and spacing. Plus, link them to custom URLs, media, lightbox images, videos, and more for a seamless user experience. Need to highlight a discount or urgent offer? Toggle the ribbon feature and a badge pops up. Customize the text, something like limited time, new, or best deal, and position to match your vibe. It is an instant spotlight for your deal. Time to style the box, tweak the image styling, and throw in a bit of hover magic to keep it interactive. Tweak the graphic element with size, borders, and colors. Control every part of your content area to match your brand perfectly. Play with backgrounds, borders, shadows, and spacing until it matches your vision. Fine-tune typography, padding, and margins for titles and descriptions. Also apply hover animation to make it more interactive. Give your buttons icon alignment, spacing, and hover states, making them so irresistible, your viewers can't help but smash that click. Then tweak your ribbon's color, font, and shadow for a bold, stylish label. Through overlay effects, add colors, gradients, blend modes, and hover styling. It's like putting your CTA in a spotlight, which is impossible to ignore. And there you go. From bland to brilliant, your CTA is now ready to do its job. Bricks Ultra gives you the creative freedom to design CTAs that actually convert without a single line of code. It's not just a button anymore, it's an experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more such videos. Check out the description below for the documentation, live demo, and other useful resources to help you get started effortlessly. See you in the next tutorial.